First, knock it from here. Take down this air vent. Pull out these two plugs. Then use this kind of tools. If you don't have a special tool, use a small utility knife. Then insert it with the missing corner facing inward. Pry it open and pull it out. LVDS port, power cord port. Then insert it from the air conditioner panel and tilt it out. Pay attention to these two buckles. Unplug this brown plug. Then plug in the air conditioner cable. Plug the box's power cord in. LVDS plug inserted here. The wires that need to be connected to the box all protrude from the air conditioner gap under the main unit. Plug in the power cord. Screw on the antenna. Plug in the USB. Plugging the LVDS. Plug in the power cord. Dip switches are differentiated according to the type of car, as shown in the figure. That's it.
Press the NAV button for 3 seconds.